Good morning everybody, this is March the 1st, and the purpose of this short training video is to show you how to use the Hawkeye trend and how to get back into the trend if you have missed the entry point. So at any time that you come in, and particularly if you're trading these longer time frames, which I do encourage you to do, you will see ways of getting back in. And what I'm particularly looking for is the divergence of volume. We are a volume-based program, so let's say here you missed these entries because they happened whilst you were at work or asleep. You're looking for the red bar, the red volume bar, coming back to green. That gives you an entry there. Then it goes green, back to red, back to green, another entry, another entry. And then it goes green, white, green, another entry. That's one way. The other way is, if you look, can you see that the price comes back very, very often to the trend dot in an uptrend? That's another place to put a great resting order in so that you'll be filled. Or alternatively, you can put the chart onto a candlestick chart and look for, it goes green, green, red, green. There's an entry. Green, red, green, there's another entry. So every time it goes back to red and then goes back to green, it gives you these opportunities to get back in. You can see that in this trend down here. So that's one way of being able to always capitalize on the trend. If we go and have a look at the indexes today, the EMD, which is one of my favorite, the mid-cap to trade, you can see that Hawkeye was pretty spot on its call this morning at 9:40. We have to wait for the first 10 minutes to go through. There was the entry. You could have got back in again if you'd missed that. Green volume, red volume. Again, do you see how it comes up to the trend dot all the time? Resting order, you could have got in there. This was a trend which was an interesting trend. It was a high risk trend to take because you're going against the overall long-term chart, which is the 432, and it's telling you it's a high risk trade. So if you were trading 3 contracts, maybe 1 contract only. Then you can see that right here we get that little profile dot 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 on the yellow. Any of you who've been to my seminars, you know I call that the crashing bird, because it looks like a bird that's wobbling as it's coming into land. And sure enough, the trend goes flat, the trend dots go flat, and if we look at that, the fast time frame is already underway. It's reverted back into the dominant overall slow time frame, and you should be short, and you should have had a terrific day. If we go and have a look at what the indexes are doing long term, you can see that we've had selling volume come in, these 2 volume radars. The Scion is ultra light volume right at the top of the market. Then we had 2 bars showing us that there was selling volume going on, then obviously a little bit of a rally. Boom, today we had over 3 million contracts go through, and down it came. So that is just showing us that if it takes out that isolated low at any time within the next sort of few days, we are in definite downtrend. So please come and join us on Friday in the trading room. I'll be taking questions, showing you Forex, other setups, and Randy will be trading live the markets at 9:30, the currencies. Do get him to show you stock trading intraday. He's very, very talented at that. So thank you very much for looking at this. I hope we can get you to all on to come and join us on Hawkeye. Thank you.